Trafalgar 1 hour fire rated ceiling access panel, providing easy access into ceilings with up to 2 hour incipient ratings whilst maintaining the fire rating. Trafalgar fire rated ceiling access panels must be fixed into the structure of the ceiling on all sides. Prepare the opening in the ceiling, fixing in new joists if necessary adjacent to the existing ones, allowing enough room to fit the access panel. Position the access panel in the ceiling as required. Secure the access panel in place using minimum 6 gauge 45mm screws. Use all provided fixing hole locations. Make sure to fill any gaps and joints using Trafalgar Fireflex sealant. For further information, contact Trafalgar on 1800 888 714 or visit www.tfire.com.au.